how to use Uber Cash, and Uber Eats. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use Uber Cash and Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use Uber Cash and Uber Eats, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is launch the Uber Eats food delivery application here. Now once you launch the Uber Eats application, you're going to be able to see this type of interface over here, right? So let me just go ahead and first of all quickly log into one of my account. And once I log into my account, there are two ways to use it. One is that you can add as a payment method by default already by simply coming to the account page, going to wallet, then just going to Uber Cash over here, then simply making sure to add your Uber Cash by tapping on the add funds option over here. Or when you're placing an order, you can actually go to your baskets and go to the checkout process and start selecting pay with Uber Cash in order to use Uber Cash and Uber Eats. This way you can use Uber Cash and Uber Eats. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.